I got my new AGM battery, but the battery was 12 and 15/16 long, and there was a couple lips on either side of this battery compartment that was 12 1/4. Guess what? It didn't fit. So I came in and just trimmed off those little tabs, and now I've got an 1/8 inch to spare. Hopefully it's going to fit. I'm just going to do a little grinding on these sides. Just grind it down just a little bit. Further down in, I got 13 1/8, 13 3/16. It's going to be a snug fit, but I'll make it work. Eye protection and ear protection are needed for this, because the sparks are going to fly. I'll turn down the volume when I edit. Yowza! Those sparks can burn a little bit. You guys get the picture. I'm going to continue on and keep test fitting until it fits. Check back. Well, success. It fits. Slides in like a glove. Can't believe it. Fantastic. One less headache. One less stress. Gone. This battery was built in July of 2019, so it's pretty much a brand new battery. Alright, check back later when I get more stuff done. Alright, what I'm doing now is I'm hooking up my positive and negative from the battery to the fuse box. I've already hooked up the ground, and now I'm getting ready to hook up the positive. This positive will go from the battery to a circuit breaker. The fuse box is rated for 125 amps. I have a 120 amp circuit breaker, which I'll show you. So right now I'm just getting my ends on, getting my heat shrink on there, and thought I'd show you how to do it. So first thing is to get an idea where you want to take off the insulation. So right about there. Carefully cut around. Get rid of that paper. Alright, there you have it. This is a number 2 wire, 2 gauge. So now we'll stick this on. I want to keep it in the same plane as this. The natural curve is going to work perfect for me, as you'll see. So I want to keep that on the same plane. You don't have to solder. I've got the old-fashioned way to do it right here. Put it in. Oops. Try not to drop it off. Put it in, like so. Make sure it's pushed in real well. Then you hit it twice. And that's not going anywhere. Now what I need to do is get a little bit of heat shrink. Measure it out. Cut it. This looks like a big heat shrink, but it shrinks up really well. And then I have a little propane torch. And you just start working on it. Keep it moving because you don't want to burn it. And there you have it. There's my short piece between the circuit breaker and the fuse box. Alright, we still have one more to do. I've already measured this out. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Going to get a connector here and measure it out. And carefully cut it. All the way around. Again, get rid of that paper. Sometimes it can be a little pain, but that's okay. There we go. Squeeze it up nicely. Put your other one on. Push it on all the way. I'm going to line it up so we don't have to twist it too much. Which looks good right there. This is how you can take your aggressions out. When you're having a bad day, give it a couple of stacks. And you can see it not only punches this side, it crimps this side a little bit also. And that's not going anywhere. One more bit of heat shrink. This one will be ready to install. Again, you want to keep moving. You don't want to burn it. Now that one's ready to install. The only thing I'm going to do is wrap this in red just to keep the whole thing red. You don't have to because you've got your red, but that's okay. I'm going to do it anyway. That way there's absolutely positively no way somebody can accidentally mess it up. Let's do the cool side. I already did the cool side. As you can see, I did it over here. And so if you're holding it here, there's no doubt that that's a red cable. But if you're holding it here, who knows? So I'm just going to add a little bit to it. I want to wrap it tight. Just come around and keep wrapping. You just need one layer basically. It's just a double layer of protection and visual reference. Bring it around. And that's that one. Now I'll also do it to the short one, just to keep it all uniform. And then I'll be back and show you where it's going. As you can see, I'm putting this in armor, and I'm going to use the red tape on it, and about every foot I'll wrap a piece of red tape around it, so no matter where you are under the bus, if you see this, you'll know that this is a hot cable. And plus, this will help close this up a little bit too. That should be enough there. And of course, the fun stuff is putting it inside this armor. It closes up nicely around it. Like I say, about every foot I'm going to put a piece of red on there. So when you're under the bus messing with it, you know exactly what you're messing with. This is what takes so long in the wiring, getting it inside this armor. But you definitely need it. Alright, we're about due for another piece. Takes a little longer doing it this way, but it'll save time in case you have to go in and do some repair or change wires out. You're able to see exactly what you're dealing with. And this is just mainly identification and to hold it in a little bit. That's about all. Alright, I'll go on until I'm finished, then we'll head to the bus.